It feels like going back to B school. Everything you come across is looked at as a case study, with one question being asked: what can we learn out of this? Open discussions, analysis of situations, regular updates about the happenings around, learning from other things such as movies we see, the games we play, gets us into a continuous learning mode.
We conduct a test every month for all employees, not just the sales and service people, but everyone is tested to check whether they are up to date with the latest developments. The test scores and answers are published immediately to encourage further learning. The attendance and the marks scored in these tests go towards building our GPA score for performance assessment.
We talk to each other regularly in meeting rooms, lounges and cafeteria to discuss threadbare issues. We have a no-holds-barred approach. We come to the point quickly and do not brook nonsense. We make fun of someone who is trying to be politically correct and avoid the point.
We use an end-user approach to get things done. Every end user is responsible to get things done as planned. If there are intermediary steps and several function teams are involved, it's still the responsibility of the end user to get the task done or escalate if he faces hurdles too big.
Time and project management are critical to startup companies. We set up this company in record time, making sure it has all the trappings of well-established enterprise in no time. Every project, task and action point is meticulously tracked against the person accountable to deliver it, and his KPIs are automatically linked up and scores are displayed in monthly dashboards.
We encourage our employees to do things all by themselves. Setting up a new office is definitely an experience. Right from deciding the color of the walls, the upholstery, designing the office furniture, picking up the right crockery, cutlery, artifacts, everything is done by us.
The work environment here is dynamic and vibrant. The open office culture inspires creativity. There are no cabins, no walls, not even secretaries, nothing to stop you from bouncing that idea you have or trying new things.
We are working on developing a completely automated HRM system and a virtual office where an employee can log in and do all the work paperlessly sitting away from office. Salary, bonuses and incentives are all benchmarked against the median of the industry. Employees are encouraged to take a long-term view of looking at the overall benefits of money, growth, learning opportunities, engagement levels, emotional bonding and fair treatment without any bias whatsoever.
Everyone knows exactly what's expected of him during the year. His performance is tracked against the defined KPIs in a transparent manner. The KPIs are not fixed by the boss, but by the team as a whole. We all sit together and assign KPIs to each other. In this way, it's the team's responsibility to achieve what they want.
We have written rules of engagement to avoid petty office politics, blame games and buck passing. We have a delightfully tough way of making everyone work hard and do more. Nanda is a real taskmaster. Too much work he expects too quickly. But then he joins us and does things himself. It's all fun in the end when we passionately discuss movies and IPL and cafeteria, forgetting we are in an office.